welcome to Natty's Crafts. I'm Natalie, but I'm not doing any crafts today. It's going to be Christmas on Saturday, so I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas, or if you celebrate something else or don't celebrate anything, you know, that's your prerogative, but certainly Merry Christmas because I celebrate Christmas. This year obviously is going to be quite a bit different. I did decorate my house and I do have some magic presents under my tree, and I sure hope that you understand and appreciate the real meaning of Christmas. It's not just the giving of gifts, but it's just the giving of yourself and the sharing and the love between family members or friends or whoever you got there. So whoever it is you're spending your week with, or your weekend, or your Christmas day, make sure you appreciate them. Make sure they know how much you appreciate them. And if you're a subscriber of mine, I appreciate you more than you know. I've been on here for almost a year now. I've been on YouTube almost a year, and I thought I would be quite a bit further than I am. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, people only watch what they want to watch. So, you know, for you 200 and some subscribers that are here, I appreciate you so much. And I'm so happy that you were able to subscribe. I'd love it if everyone would subscribe and everyone would share and, you know, have their friends and family or whoever watch. That would be awesome. And I'm just going to keep chugging along until I get to my goal of 1,000. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. It's just going to be real quick. I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Have a great one.